Good evening, guys. We've not done one of these for a while, so this is the normal standard format run through the three leagues. A few things to talk about. Northern League batting, Mark Zackerman, 393 runs. Evan Williams has got the highest score with 140. Mark Zackerman, again, he's got 14 sixes, so that's the most. And the most ducks. I'm sure this will go down well in some areas and not in others. Nathan Trengrove and Five Dennis, both of Maudsley, they've got 4 each. So there'll be some who will say it couldn't happen to a nicer pair. So we'll see what Rufford make of that one. Bowling wise, Sam Sharp, Matt Siddle, and Declan Clerkin have all got 23 wickets. Sam Sharp's got the best bowling, 7 for 12. Jacob Proctor has got the best strike rate, 19, and the best economy rate is Josh Boyne, 1.73. Most catches, James Critchley, he's got 8. And wicket-keeping dismissals, Harry McAleer, he's got 11 catches and 6 stumpings, 17 in total. That's pretty good. 6 stumpings is pretty decent. Let's have a look at the table in the Northern League then. Sullied a little bit by Fullwood's points deduction, and they've got a suspended points deduction as well. If they're fine to transgress again, so we'll have a quick look at that. There's Maudsley and Garstang have had points deductions as well. So let's have a look at the table. We've got Fleetwood 104, Leyland 92. That's a bit of a surprise for me. Chorley 88, Kendall 86, Netherfield 85. So that's all pretty tight there. Longridge 75, Blackpool 73, Garstang 70. Settled 65 in their first season. They've had some strange results. Fullwood 61 now. St Anne's 38. Exton 28 and Maudsley 10. So remember, it's 3 down into Northern League Division 2 for next year, and they'll be joined by Carlisle and 6 teams from the Palace Shield. So there's still a little bit to play for there, especially if Fullwood transgress again. We'll have to have a look at that. Palace Shield, highest run scorer is Nissan Nithian. He's got 276. Highest score still Jackson Mills from Carnforth before he went home, 151. Glyn Parkinson of Penwitham's got the most 6s, 17. I've seen him bat a couple of times. He plays a certain way, and so I'm sure it won't be long before somebody finds him out. But he does have a certain way of playing. And ducks, there's a lot on 3, so I'm not going to go through them. Bowling-wise, Donovan Zealand of Penrith, he's got 30 wickets. He's a good player, he is. Dan Hodge, 7 for 11, was the best bowling figures from Rufford. Rory Riding of Penwitham, he's got the best strike rate, 14.89. Good spinner. He's not an off-spinner. He bowls little undercutters. So you need to watch out there because they do hurry on and keep a little bit low. So watch out for those. Cameron Smith of Eccleston, best economy rate, 2.34. Jamie Haywood's got the most catches, got 10. And Will Thistlethwaite has got 11 dismissals, 10 catches and a stumping. Let's have a look at the table. Bit of a hiccup from Carnforth. They've got back on track a little bit, but they had 2 disappointing defeats. Barrow 75, Carnforth 64. Remember, top 6 can go up to the Northern League, and if one of them refuses, it passes down to 7th and 8th, etc. So we'll see what happens. So Barrow 75, Carnforth 64, Thorpe Cleveland's and Penrith 63. That's really tight. Great Eccleston 55 and Rufford 54. Those are the top 6 at the minute. Lancaster 48. They're better than that. They'll come good, they will. Vernon's 47, Penwitham 39. Preston 37, Torrey's on 15, struggling a bit. Eccleston still on -4, but they have won one. So it's an uphill struggle for Eccleston there. So we'll see what happens. There won't be any relegation though. So the bottom 6 will stay, and they'll be joined by 4 from the division below, which is currently called 1A. If we go to the Westmoreland League. Most runs, Jack Munnings, Burniside's Aussie. He's got 355. He looks a good player. Ben's done a good job there getting him. He's also got the highest score, 114 not out. Ben Woodruff's got 10 sixes. And John Atkinson's top with 3 ducks, top or bottom, however you want to look at it. Bowling, Rudy and Oosthuizen from Morecambe seconds. Quite sharp he is, 29 wickets. Guy Mason has got the best bowling figures, 7 for 26. He's also got the best strike rate, 13.89. And Ben Leacock at Burneside has got the best economy rate, 2.13. Bowling that seam from about 11 foot 10 in the air is massive, and it's coming down from that height. It's really hard to play. Most catches, quite low this. Ryan Needham's got 5. And most wicket-keeping dismissals, Matt Yates of Shies, he's got 9, which is 7 catches and 2 stumpings. Looking at the table, it's 4 down here. Obviously the winner gets the chance to go into the Palace Shield as well. So it's quite tight. Burneside and Morecambe seconds, 96. Shire's Head, 92. Appleby, one of the new teams, 79. Sedgwick, 67. Wharton, 64. Lindle-Moor, the other newcomer, 62. Obviously, there's 2 newcomers. There were 3, but Kirby Stephen bottled it, didn't they? So Lindle, 62. Holm, 58. Carver seconds, 48. Silverdale, 40. And then there's bottom 3 of Cast Adrift. Bear, 19. Kendall seconds, 14. And Aging Arnside is finally caught up with them. They're bottom on 13. They're yet to win. They've just had 1 losing draw on 60 feet. They're struggling. So all in all, it looks good. Still a lot of reorganisation to do, and at the end of this season, it's going to all pan out into a proper pyramid, and everyone's going to be happy, except the Cumbria League. But they need to get the ducks in order, don't they, and sort themselves out. That's all for me, guys. I'll do another update in 3 or 4 weeks' time. Thanks for watching.